All right, in this video, I'm going to go over finding the equation of the line in standard form. Or basically, we take it from slope-intercept form and change it into standard form. I know we use the slope-intercept form a lot because it's very useful. You get the slope right there and the y-intercept right there, but it's not the standard form. So that is not going to be our final answer in this particular game. All right. So what they do in problems like this is they give you the slope and they give you a point it passes through. Well, what equation are we going to use to find, what formula are we going to use to find the equation? Slope-intercept, or slope-intercept, point-slope form, because we got a point and we got the slope, point-slope. So if you remember, point-slope is what? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Or y1 and x1 are the point, and m is the slope. So we have slope passing through 1/3. So slope is negative 1/3. X minus x1 is just 1, right? Because that's the x part of the ordered pair. Always remember that. Y equals y minus 1/3 equals, make sure the equal sign is in the right spot. And then what do? Distribute negative 1/3 x plus, because it's negative times a negative, right? Plus 1/3 equals y minus 1/3. Okay, so we're going to add 1/3 to both sides. That's nice. And we're left with negative 1/3 x plus 2/3. Well, that's the slope-intercept form. We're not supposed to get that one, right, Joe? That's right. So we're not nearly done yet. But we did want to combine those like terms. We wanted to get this over here so that we could combine that, because we're going to find ax plus by equals c. Now, the thing to do once you have your slope-intercept form is to remember the rule about standard form. Notice in standard form, it's ax plus by equals c. There's no a over d and b over e. No fractions in standard form. No fractions in standard form. So how do we get rid of the fractions? We can multiply an equation by a number. Or actually, we're multiplying both sides by whatever number we want, right? That doesn't violate the rules of algebra, because we're doing it to both sides of the equation, right? We can multiply both sides by 3. Why did I choose 3? Because that's what's in the denominator here, in both of them. So when I distribute the 3 to the y, we get 3y, right? And we're going to distribute that 3 to the negative 1/3 x and to the 2/3 x, because we're multiplying all of it. So 3 times negative 1/3. Well, 3 is actually getting divided by 3, so it's like negative 3 over 3, right? X, and then 3 times 2/3 x is 6 over 3. 3 times 2, yeah. Well, that kind of cancels out, right? 3 divided by 3 is just 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we're left with what? Let's move this over here. 3y equals negative x Let me write that correctly. Negative x plus 2. You see what I did there? Don't forget the sign. And now we're so close. We just need to move the x over here. So we're adding x to both sides. And it's just x plus 3y equals 2. And that is the standard form. Thanks for watching.